Hello, everyone. My name is Johnny Lopez. I am a Microsoft 365 architect at Core BTS. I am also a Microsoft MVP. I'm here today to give you a preview of a workshop I'll be delivering at the 365 EduCon in Dallas, Texas on January 31st through February 4th. This is a 3-day conference that has 2 additional workshop days that you can join. The conference brings you to the world's leading experts in SharePoint, Microsoft 365, Microsoft Teams, Power Automate, the Power Platform, those different types of products. This workshop I will be delivering is a real deployment overview of the Power Platform COE Starter Kit, which is brought to you by the Microsoft CAT team. We will discuss several components in the Starter Kit. We will cover the core components, the governance components, the nurturing components, along with its new features. If this is your first time hearing about the COE Starter Kit, don't worry about it. You can also access the material and work on getting started at aka.ms/COE Starter Kit. I am looking forward to seeing you in my home state of Texas. Thank you and have a great day.